Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning. It is Sunday, which makes it day 2 on board Icon of the Seas.
It's sea day, y'all.
We are hanging out by the pool right now. It's almost 11 o'clock. One good thing is there are so many open loungers and chairs and beds out here. I am really impressed. There's no chair hogs. There's no need for it. There's plenty of space out here. We have already gone to Windjammer for breakfast, and
the weather out here is gorgeous. I mean,
yes,
you know, it could be a little warmer so I could work on my tan, but for now it's good.
The weather is great. One quick tip or pointer for those that purchase the drink package. If you also enjoy coffee, I would suggest going to the Starbucks section of the Pearl Cafe. There they have a limited menu, but it's still Starbucks and they will allow you to use your drink package there, versus if you go to the full Starbucks, it's not included in your drink package. I'm not sure what the difference is, but if you don't want to pay for Starbucks coffee, just go to the Pearl Cafe. Other than that, we're just going to hang out for a bit, see what we get into, and that's about it.
So whatever we decide, we'll definitely bring you guys along with us, and we'll talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We're doing a quick cabin crawl, so we're about to see a suite cabin, junior suite, I believe, or suite, something like that. So we're gonna see that. Good, how are you? So it's a line of folks as we make our way down to the room.
Take a shot of each one.
The same in the back.
We are going into is 9715, which is a Surfside family suite. So as we step inside, there's this nifty little nook for storage. This is the bathroom.
There's a shower.
And this is just a shower. It's not a full bathroom, it's a half bath.
Thank you for hosting, Patrick.
Oh, I'll take one, Bernie. Thank you. And here's a bed. Right outside is their... Thank you. They also have a view of the ocean, so they do get an ocean view. And again, this is Surfside. Sorry. Okay, it's a bit tight, but can we get in here? Thank you. There's a little sitting area as well.
That's the smallest one I've ever seen.
Yeah.
That is really
This is the little sitting area with another TV. Very nice. Another little sitting area. Thank you.
Oh, it's nice to meet you. Yeah.
Another bathroom. Thank you. Thank you.
We locked everything in the safe room.
I'm not sure how much of that you guys could see, but again, it was a Surfside suite. And now we are off to the next cabin. Okay, and now we are entering our next cabin.
And then it's got the split bathroom.
Yeah, this has a split bathroom with
My
full
first ship was the
tub.
Liberty, and the people that organized the whole group that we
Very nice.
they had a suite. And it was
On the other side is the bathroom with the toilet. They do have a very nice sitting area here, and it does have a TV and an extra closet. Oh, they have a coffee maker as well. And then this is their bed. Oh, a nice sitting area. Very nice. A lot of natural lighting as well. A very nice view of the ocean. Oh, plenty of seats. Oh, he's going to open the window for us.
The room becomes bigger. Drop the easy up here.
That breeze feels amazing.
It does.
Wow.
You're actually close enough to the water, you can hear it at night.
Really?
Yeah, I have to get up a couple of times in the night because of that.
Very nice. And the gentleman staying in this room said you can hear the water with this window down at night. So if that sounds good to you, this is the cabin for you. Thank you.
Oh, that's 500? When did you show yours? Like, when did you show it to yours? Just now? Yeah.
And they do have curtains so that you can kind of partition it off. Another sitting area in the bedroom area.
Is this one of the rooms? This is a
And this is the room with the toilet and a sink.
So this is a
Sweet.
Infinite Grand Suite.
And this is the Infinite Grand Suite. Very nice.
Is this your room? Thank you so much for
Thank you.
It's really nice of you. Oh, you want to go? Very nice.
Thanks for sharing.
I thought we were at like number 9 or something.
I don't know, but I'm going to keep going.
Now we are in an infinite balcony. Lots of people, but you can kind of see what's going on. Okay, so this is what it looks like.
Well, our guy didn't come in ours yet.
Oh,
Maybe, hopefully.
hello. And
Subscribe.
oh,
Second.
thank you. So here is the extra space that you get with this balcony room, and this window does come down, so you get a little extra added space. Very nice.
You're welcome.
Thanks for sharing. We are now entering a junior
Thank you very
suite.
much.
Thank you.
I don't take that out.
Okay, so a junior suite. This is the bathroom, full tub, lots of counter space and drawers. Very nice.
Bathroom is nuts.
Okay, nice couch and sitting area. They have the bed split into 2.
Thank you.
Have you seen the sunset yet?
Yeah.
Did you see the sunset yet?
Bed set.
Oh, no, this one was
And this is a junior suite. Very nice size balcony. And this is aft. So this is their view. And again, this is a junior suite. Nice size. We are now entering a family infinite balcony. These are connecting rooms. So this is an infinite family balcony cabin. That's the connecting door if you get connectors.
Parents, right?
Thank you. Oh, here's a bunk bed set up for kids.
So is that a bathroom then? Infinite.
Lots of
And that's why there's a
closet space.
I said,
Thank you.
Nope, Dad is.
no, my dad hates parents, right?
So,
This is the same.
moving further in.
Their bathroom is just a little different. It adds that little piece back there.
Yeah, we're
So here is their room. Now this spot portion of it is just like the regular Infinite balcony, but because it's a family style, you get this little bedroom back here. Thank you.
No problem.
So this is an Infinite balcony cabin as well, but it is also handicap
Make sure you check out the
accessible.
bathroom as well.
Thank you.
Central Park balcony. Accessible stateroom. Make sure you guys check out the bathroom as well.
I love your t-shirt. I'm proud of them.
Lots of space for sure because it is handicap accessible.
That's not a closet though. No, I don't think that's a closet.
So they do have more space on their balcony, and this also faces Central Park. So if they put this window down, they do not see the ocean, they see Central Park. But it is very quiet in here. I do not hear any noise from Central Park.
A little bit more room. It's wider.
But it definitely is spacious. Again, because it's handicap accessible.
Some size.
Yeah, you're good luck, Dan.
Thank you. Sorry. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Alright, so we're here now. We're about to get ready to do the Melanin at Sea photo shoot. We're going to do a quick photo. And if you look at all of the Melanin at Sea folks, look at all this melanin out here, y'all.
Graduation. That's it. That's how we do.
You better love it. It ain't going away.
It's a movement.
That's right. Good evening.
Good evening. It is maybe 7:45-ish. We are waiting for the ice skating show to start. We'll show you some of the footage, and afterwards we'll let you know what we thought.
So the lighting may be a little messed up, but it's due to the ice skating and everything like that. So just wanted to let you guys know that.
Bye.
Good evening, good evening.
Good evening. What did we do today? We didn't do a whole lot of anything. We walked around the ship a bit, met up with several of other vloggers that we have met, and we talked to them for a bit. We also did a group photo with them.
And we did a cabin crawl.
Oh yeah, we did. We'll show you some of that footage, but hopefully you can see the cabin. There were so many people participating, so I don't know if we got more people versus cabin space, but we'll show you what we have. It was nice to be able to see the different types of cabins that Royal is offering now. They have some good family options for sure. After that, what did we do? We hung out for a bit, and then we went to dinner. This is formal night number 1. So we went to dinner. I did enjoy dinner. From there, we wasted some time, again, talking some more vloggers that we knew. And then we went to the ice show. The ice show was called Starburst. Yes, it was very good. If you enjoy ice skating, I would definitely say go see this show. Royal does a great job with their entertainment. Out of all the 4 or 5 cruise lines that I've tried, Royal definitely has the best entertainment, in my opinion.
Definitely thumbs up, Royal.
At the ice show, we did get there early because we knew the venue would fill up, and it did. So we got to chat with a couple from Florida, from Orlando. Yes. So if you're watching, hey!
And definitely go ahead and start working on your ice skating skills.
They were very nice. He's a firefighter from the Disney Springs area.
Yes, I believe that's what he said. Yep.
Thanks for your service.
Yes.
Anyway, we enjoyed talking to them. Then the show started. We enjoyed that. So again, if you're on Icon of the Seas, go see that ice show if you enjoy ice skating. Ladies, I would suggest bringing a sweater or a jacket because it does get cool in there. Other than that, it was a good day. We didn't do a whole lot, but it was still a good day, and we covered a lot of the ship. So to me, this was a good second day, and this is our first sea day. Tomorrow we have another sea day, and I think I have the Crown's Edge booked. So we'll see how that goes.
And we'll bring you guys along with us.
Yeah, I think we're going to call it a night. We do lose an hour of sleep tonight, so we don't have much left.
That's all for now. See you guys tomorrow. Good night.
Bye.